Here's how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to Coinbase. First, open Cash App and go to the Bitcoin section. Make sure you have enough Bitcoin available for the transfer. Next, open Coinbase and go to your portfolio or assets. Search for Bitcoin, select it, tap Transfer, and choose Receive. Coinbase will display your Bitcoin wallet address. Tap Copy to copy the address. Return to Cash App, tap the up and down arrow button, select Send, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, and tap Send again. Now, paste the Coinbase Bitcoin wallet address into the address field. Select the address when it appears, and tap Next. If Cash App asks why you use Bitcoin, select the option that best matches your purpose, such as investing, and Continue. Answer the remaining questions about your income, employment status, job title, and business information accurately. Next, choose your Bitcoin withdrawal speed. Cash App may offer options such as Priority, Rush, or Standard, with different network fees and estimated arrival times. Select the option that works best for you. Review the Bitcoin amount, Coinbase wallet address, withdrawal speed, and any applicable fees carefully. Tap Confirm and Send, then enter your Cash App PIN to authorize the transfer. Your Bitcoin withdrawal will now be submitted to your Coinbase wallet. The transfer may take some time depending on the withdrawal speed and Bitcoin network conditions. That's all for this video. Thanks.